Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Minimax audio. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and head to the Minimax website. Once the page loads, click on Log In to access your account. Signing in allows you to save projects, voice settings, and audio generations for later use. After logging in, open the Minimax audio section. This is the main workspace where you can access all the available audio tools. Here, you'll see options like text-to-speech and music creation. If you want AI-generated voiceovers, choose text-to-speech. Enter your script, then select the tone and style you want. Using short sentences and clear punctuation helps the voice sound more natural. If you want background music or soundtracks, choose music creation and describe the style, mood, or tempo you want to generate. Next, explore voice design if you want to create custom AI voices. You can adjust pitch, pacing, and tone to match your project. You can also use Voice Isolator to remove background noise and clean up recordings for better clarity. Once everything sounds good, preview your audio and save the final result. So that's basically how you can use Minimax audio. That's it for this video. Thanks.